we saw some hurricane-force winds off the northern tip of Vancouver Island today at 65 knots. That's about 120 kilometers an hour. Slow improvement tomorrow. Anwar has a look west in just a moment, but strong winds to contend with through the Atlantic region as well.
We are still looking at that southwesterly component, and so it's still trying to bring in that warm air, and for the most part, although temperatures have dropped quite a bit from what we were having for today, it's still going to be quite pleasant temperature-wise, but certainly gale warnings surrounding Newfoundland in through the Anticosti area, the Northumberland Strait, the Cabot Strait, along the eastern shores of Nova Scotia. See, it's changed to a slightly westerly flow of 35 to 38 knots. As we move into the southwestern shores of Nova Scotia, Lurcher and Browns Bank, it's downgraded to some small craft advisories, but then it's picked up into the Halifax Harbor and the Bedford Basin area. We have a westerly flow of around 35 knots. Out west, well, storm warnings certainly throughout the morning across the Queen Charlottes into the Hecate Strait, the Dixon Entrance, the west coast Charlottes. We are seeing a southeasterly flow in excess of 50 knots at times, so it is going to be very rough, certainly. The central coast will see a bit of a break, gale warnings, if that's a break, and the west coast of northern Vancouver Island, we also have some storm warnings. Dropping down to the south, not as bad. We have a small craft advisory, and then we have really no warnings or advisories into the Juan de Fuca Strait and the Strait of Georgia.